When you look at the 8 planets, you'll find Saturn is the most striking one, because it has the most unique rings in the solar system. We call them Saturn's rings. They are made of hundreds of millions of icy particles that make up the planetary rings. The size of each particle can be as small as a peanut or as big as a bus. Their smooth surfaces are like mirrors. These particles reflect most of the sunlight. This is why we see such amazing rings. However, if you just look at Saturn in the night sky, it just looks like a regular star. You can't see its ring structure. So Saturn's rings weren't seen until 1610 by Galileo, a famous Italian astronomer. Although he didn't realize they were rings at the time, he was still the first person to see Saturn's rings with his own eyes. It wasn't until later, with powerful telescopes and probes like Pioneer 11 and Cassini, that humans truly understood Saturn's rings. Using data from these probes and the images they took, scientists found out although Saturn's rings are about as wide as the distance from Earth to the Moon, they are only about 10 meters thick. It's hard to imagine the huge difference in width and thickness, and the material in the rings is over 95% water ice particles. The rest is mostly rock, dust, and other chemicals. Each one is like a tiny moon orbiting Saturn. As for how Saturn's rings formed, there are currently several theories. For example, one idea is that early moons collided with comets and asteroids. That's one theory. But the idea more accepted by scientists today is that about 10 million to 100 million years ago, maybe when dinosaurs were on Earth, a moon with a crust made almost entirely of ice got closer and closer to Saturn as its orbit decayed. When it got close enough, within the Roche limit, the moon was torn apart by powerful tidal forces. It broke into hundreds of millions of icy particles, creating these amazing rings. However, Saturn's rings won't be around forever. Because of Saturn's gravity and magnetic field, these icy particles are slowly falling into Saturn. This means it's estimated that the rings will completely disappear and be gone forever. But we don't need to worry, because the Cassini probe has taken many real photos of Saturn for us, capturing its most beautiful and stunning moments. Like this image you see now, it's a photo of Saturn and Earth taken in 2013. Besides the clear rings, you can also see Earth, which is just a tiny, unremarkable point of light. This tiny point of light is our home, a precious oasis in the vast cosmic ocean. Let's cherish and protect it.